Our firm has been dedicated to getting recoveries for people that have been injured as a result of the negligence of others. And today I've been asked to talk to you about what is economic damages. Economic damages can be a significant and major part of a personal injury case. And let's talk about some of those. One is the loss of wages, the loss of ability to earn money in the past and in the future. We can put a solid number on that. If you can't work because you've been injured and you're at home suffering, we will attempt and do everything we can to get you all the economic damages you deserve. One of those is your lost wages, as I said, for the past and the future. The next element is your cost of medical care, which can be exorbitant now. We know how much it costs. And we will do everything we can to get you a recovery for those losses, that economic damages, those medical expenses. And it gets a little more complicated than that. If you're very seriously injured and you can't work for the rest of your life, we will get experts, which are life care planners and economists, who will look at the loss, look at the cost of medical expenses, not only in the past, but in the future. For instance, I have a client recently who was a quadriplegic and he couldn't work, obviously, but he had vast medical expenses, almost $1 million a year. And our job then is to get what's called a life care planner to explain all of that, all the expenses that are necessary for that human being to live and attain and maintain the best quality of life he or she can maintain being a quadriplegic. And that's an economic loss. If that person was an entrepreneur and was doing business deals, we have an economist to evaluate that and what the losses are in the future. That's just a little bit of what economic damages are all about. And we here at Panter and Sampedro will prove your economic damages to get the most best recovery we can for you to recover the economic damages in every one of our cases for every one of our clients. And you can get more details about this on our website. Visit us at panterlaw.com.